So okay, let's run entire process flow by clicking on debug. So as soon as I click on debug, it should open the first invoice from the first vendor and read the data. So it's opened the invoice from ABC Corporation and it is reading the data. So it's reading invoice number, it reads the vendor name ABC Corporation, it reads the amount 20,000, it reads the due date, yeah, it is reading due date, October, and then the email of the vendor, right? And then it's gonna close PDF. Now robot has to open the second invoice from second vendor, who is XYZ Corporation, right? So it's capturing invoice number details, capturing vendor name details, it's capturing the amount 64,000, it's gonna capture the due date, and then it is gonna capture the email address of this second vendor. Okay, now it will close the PDF. Now it's gonna open the third vendor PDF, which is Microsoft Techno, that is Microsoft Tech Private Limited. It's capturing the invoice number, captures the vendor name, captures the amount, right? It captures the due date, 10th October, and it captures the third vendor's email address. So it closes the PDF. Now it will write the data from the backend to an Excel sheet and then reads the data and submits all these invoices in the invoice book. Okay, see, it's opening this. Now it's gonna enter all the details. The vendor ABC, first ABC Corporation details it captured. It is submitting invoice for ABC Corporation. It clicks back again. It submits the second invoice. This time it should be XYZ Corporation, 64,000, right? It submitted the invoice, and it should be again. It's, I think, the Microsoft Tech Private Limited third vendor details submitting. So it submitted the third vendor invoice, and now it should close the browser. Okay, perfect. So it's exited. So that means, see, the entire business process of the reading the data from the PDF and entering the invoice has been done, right? So this is how we can automate. So let me explain one quick thing. So you remember the business process where we were actually downloading the resumes, right? So you can convert this business process even as a for invoice as well. Let's assume you have received invoices into your email with the subject line invoice. Instead of resume, you assume it's invoice. So it reads the data from your emails, okay? If the subject line contains invoice, then what happens? It downloads all the PDFs in the location here, okay? Then it reads the data from the downloaded folder. That means you can actually connect this particular start to email as well, so that it downloads and then takes this activity, reads the data, and then submit the invoice. So that way also you can utilize this email automation, okay? But however, so let me show you one quick thing. So let me show you the data has been written to the Excel sheet, right? Let me open. Read the data from the PDF files, pre-PDF invoices, and see how it is stored in the Excel sheet. Okay, let me show you. The data, whatever we read from the three PDFs, see, this has been stored in the Excel sheet. You see here, vendor name, see there are three vendor names, balance is 20,000, 60,000, 64,000, 34,000, right? All the emails of the vendors. Okay, we stored the data into in the Excel sheet. So this will be as a backup for you. Okay, and then what it did, it submitted the invoice. So this is the way you can basically automate the process of reading the PDFs, any PDF. It might be invoice, it might be something else, okay? And then you can capture them into a table, data table, and then from the data table, you can enter into some other SAP applications like invoicing applications, right? So most of the invoicing applications, HR related applications in this technology of SAP, you can enter these details and submit the invoice. Hope you understand this concept. Okay, hope it helps you in enhancing the UiPath skills for you people. Thank you. Thanks for listening the video.